Hilda from HILDACRAFTY. Today I have to show you how to make these flowers like these. Now to make the center of the flower, for this you'll be needing any packaging material, and I'm using the Fevicol cap here to draw the circle, and I'll cut it. I've cut a few and I've kept it ready. I'll take the twine and I'll put some glue and I'll just turn and I'll keep rolling. I'll keep adding glue and I'll keep rolling. So I'm using this jute twine here and I'll be cutting it into this length, which is almost 9 centimeters. Now for this flower I used 12 centimeters. So you can choose whichever size you want, but they should be all equal in size. Cut few pieces and I've kept ready. So I'll take one piece and I'll fold it like this so that it becomes a petal shape. Then I'll take some glue and I'll put it here in the center, and I'll put this here from the center, and I'll do so all over. Now this is a single pattern flower, and for a double pattern flower, what we'll have to do is, from the back side, again I'll take the twine, turn it, put some glue, and this time between the two petals, in between two petals, I'll put this petal and stick. Now for this flower, you'll have to take these pieces and you'll have to stick them in a crisscross pattern like this. So then you can put glue and fix this on top. So I can use the same color center or any other color center like this or like this. For this one, again, I can use this as the center, this as the center, this as the center. Anyway, it will look nice. And for this one, I can use this flower, this on top, like this, or like this, or like this, whichever way. For this one, I can use this as the center, this as the center, any which way. I hope you liked my video. Do tune in again. I'll come back with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you all.